Welcome back. At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement, earlier today, JCI was open at a level of 6,847.27. And in approaching the closing time of the session, the index was on the level of 6,830.77. And then the index was showing strengthening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at a level of 6,850.98. And in short, JCI went up 0.01%. Next, we are going to see the sectoral movement leading the dynamics of today's trading. We got non-cyclic as the leader of the strengthening trend. That went up 0.59%. Technology went up 0.31%. Health went down 1.69%. And energy went down 0.17%. Moving on to the top gainers and top losers. Here are the key highlights from today's trading session. BSBK went up 14.77% to the level of 171 per share. BBKP went up 13.73% to the level of 116 per share. Goto went up 2.20% to the level of 93 per share. And Pada went up 6.30% to the level of 270 per share. Meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got BBRI went down 1.42% to the level of 4,870 rupiah per share. Adro went down 6.75% to the level of 3,590 rupiah per share. UNTR went down 1.05% to the level of 25,800 rupiah per share. And BMRI went down 0.50% to the level of 9,875 rupiah per share. Next, we're going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards the US dollar. Open at the level of 15,562, rupiah was also showing strengthening trend towards the US dollar and was closed at the level of 15,559. And in summary, rupiah went up 0.47%. At the end of 2022, Semen Indonesia officially acquired 83.52% of Solusi Bangun Indonesia shares. The total transaction value of acquisition reached 10.99 trillion rupiah.
At the end of 2022, the Indonesia Stock Exchange recorded a transaction of 11 trillion rupiah in shares of Solusi Bangun Indonesia. In fact, the parent company, namely Semen Indonesia, officially acquired 83.52% of the shares. The total shares acquired reached 7.53 billion shares owned by Semen Indonesia Industri Bangunan with a transaction value of 10.99 trillion rupiah. Corporate Secretary of Semen Indonesia, Vita Mahraini, said that this restructuring aims to strengthen the governance of the Semen Indonesia Group, especially in the cement business. For information, Semen Indonesia and Semen Indonesia Industri Bangunan are affiliated parties, namely as a parent and subsidiary. After carrying out reasonable and relevant checks, affiliated transactions do not contain conflicts of interest and all material information has been disclosed. Previously, on December 28, 2022, Semen Indonesia successfully carried out a rights issue with a total order reaching 96.9% of all transactions. This corporate action is one of the strategic steps taken by Semen Indonesia to support the company's performance, especially for ESG programs and business development. IDX Channel reports.